In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the fiscal year in QuickBooks Online Accountant using a laptop. This is a simple but important setup that makes your reports accurate and ensures your books line up with your organization's reporting schedule. Whether you follow a standard calendar year or a non-calendar fiscal year, setting this correctly will help keep everything consistent across your profit and loss, balance sheet, and other financial reports. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online Accountant account on your laptop. Make sure you're logged in with a role that has permission to update company settings. If you manage multiple clients, confirm you're working in the right company file before you continue, so the change applies to the correct books. Once you're in, look to the top right of your screen and click the Settings gear icon. This opens your account and settings area, where you can manage preferences that influence how QuickBooks behaves behind the scenes. From the menu on the left, select Advanced. This section houses your accounting preferences, automation choices, and other firm-level or company-level details. We're focusing on the accounting section here, because that's where the fiscal year setting lives. Within the accounting section, find the option labeled First Month of Fiscal Year. This tells QuickBooks where your fiscal year starts, which is the anchor point for how it groups transactions on your financial statements. By default, many companies use January, but plenty of organizations choose a different start month to match their business cycle or regulatory requirements. Open the drop-down and select the month you want to use as the start of your fiscal year. Take a moment to confirm the choice matches your official accounting policy and any tax or reporting deadlines you follow. Picking the right month helps ensure your monthly and yearly comparisons, budgeting, and closing processes all line up correctly. When you're confident in your selection, click Save to apply the change. QuickBooks will update your reporting framework based on the month you chose. If you had any reports open, refresh them so they recalculate using the new fiscal year setting. It's also a good idea to communicate this update to anyone else working in the books, so your team is aligned when running reports or closing periods. That's it. Your fiscal year is now set up in QuickBooks Online Accountant. This quick adjustment keeps your financials clear and consistent, and it helps you avoid confusion when reviewing performance across periods. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.